Wow! You like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like Dora blanket?
Open.
I will. But do you like it?
Open.
Say thank you.
Kiki.
I love you.
I'm not open.
Open, Gus. You can open it.
I need help.
You need help? Okay. There you go.
I don't like sweet.
You want to wear it?
Yes.
Oh, wow. You like it? Yeah?
Pretty. It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. Is it like princess?
It's the princess.
It's a princess dress? Oh, wow. And what is that? Wow.
This little dress.
This is also princess dress? It's pretty? Wow, you got so many. Oh wow, look at that. You cannot wear it, bacha. Mama needs to help you to wear. See the other one.
See?
So pretty, Babu.
See?
Show me.
Look, it's pretty.
Dress is pretty, yeah. And what is in that one?